Blockchain technology is a revolutionary invention that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. It is the backbone of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. However, the technology has gone beyond cryptocurrencies. And it has found various use cases in different industries such as healthcare, finance, and supply chain management. In this video, we will delve deep into the blockchain technology, how it works, its benefits, and the different types of blockchain. We will also look at some of the industries that are utilizing this technology and the challenges facing the blockchain industry. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is a distributed ledger system that allows participants to record transactions in a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof manner. It is a database that maintains a continuously growing list of records called blocks. Each block contains a set of transactions, and once a block is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. Blockchain technology uses cryptography to secure the transactions and prevent unauthorized access. It is decentralized, meaning it does not rely on a single entity or server to store the data. Instead, the data is stored across a network of computers, also known as nodes. How does blockchain work? Blockchain technology is a complex system, but we can break it down into three main components: the network, the nodes, and the transactions. The network, a blockchain network, is a decentralized network of computers that work together to maintain the integrity of the blockchain. The network is composed of nodes, which are individual computers that store a copy of the blockchain. The nodes are computers that participate in the blockchain network. Each node stores a copy of the blockchain, and it uses its processing power to validate transactions and create new blocks. Nodes communicate with each other using a consensus algorithm, which ensures that all nodes have the same copy of the blockchain. The transactions are the building blocks of the blockchain. They contain information about the transfer of assets, such as cryptocurrencies, from one party to another. When a transaction is initiated, it is broadcast to the network, and nodes in the network verify the transaction to ensure that it is valid. Once a transaction is validated, it is added to a block. Blocks are then added to the blockchain in a linear, chronological order. Each block contains a unique code, known as a hash, which is generated based on the information in the block. The hash of each block is used to link it to the previous block, forming a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Types of blockchain. There are three main types of blockchain: public, private, and consortium blockchain. Public blockchain. A public blockchain is a permissionless blockchain that anyone can join and participate in. It is decentralized, meaning there is no single entity controlling it. The most popular public blockchain is the Bitcoin blockchain, which is used for peer-to-peer transactions. Private blockchain. A private blockchain is a permissioned blockchain that is used within an organization or a group of organizations. It is centralized, meaning there is a single entity controlling it. Private blockchains are used for internal record keeping and transactions. Consortium blockchain. A consortium blockchain is a hybrid of public and private blockchain. It is a permissioned blockchain that is controlled by a group of organizations. Consortium blockchains are used for collaborative efforts between different organizations. Benefits of blockchain technology in detail. Security. Blockchain technology is highly secure, and it is almost impossible to hack. The use of cryptography ensures that only authorized parties can access the data. Transactions are validated using a consensus algorithm, which ensures that all nodes on the network agree on the transaction's validity. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This ensures the integrity of the data, making it difficult for bad actors to manipulate the data. This level of security is particularly important for industries such as finance, where the security of financial transactions is crucial. Decentralization. Blockchain technology is decentralized, meaning there is no central authority controlling it. This reduces the risk of corruption and manipulation. In traditional systems, such as banks, there is a central authority that controls the flow of information and transactions. This centralized approach can lead to issues such as corruption, fraud, and errors. Decentralized systems such as blockchain technology reduce the risk of these issues by distributing control across the network. Blockchain technology can improve efficiency by reducing the need for intermediaries in transactions. In traditional systems, such as banks, intermediaries such as brokers and clearinghouses are required to facilitate transactions. These intermediaries can slow down the transaction process and increase costs. Blockchain technology eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing the time and cost of transactions. Cost savings. Blockchain technology can lead to cost savings in various industries. In traditional systems, such as banks, the cost of maintaining the infrastructure required for transactions can be high. In contrast, blockchain technology is a distributed system, meaning the cost of maintaining the infrastructure is spread across the network. This can lead to cost savings for organizations that adopt blockchain technology. For example, in the healthcare industry, blockchain technology can be used to reduce administrative costs by eliminating the need for intermediaries and streamlining processes. Accessibility. Blockchain technology can improve accessibility by providing financial services to people who do not have access to traditional banking systems. In many parts of the world, traditional banking systems are either inaccessible or unaffordable for many people. Blockchain technology can provide an alternative by allowing people to transact directly with each other without the need for intermediaries such as banks. This can provide financial services to people who previously had no access to them. Conclusion. In conclusion, blockchain technology has many benefits, including security, transparency, decentralization, efficiency, cost savings, traceability, and accessibility. These benefits have made blockchain technology a popular choice for various industries, including finance, healthcare, supply chain management, and more. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more use cases and benefits emerging. However, it is important to note that there are also challenges facing the adoption of blockchain technology, such as scalability, regulation,